Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to go through kids' clothes as we are preparing to change from summer wardrobe to fall and winter. I am going to show you my daughter's closet and how I make this process very quick and efficient. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Marta and welcome to my channel. The goal of my channel is to help you find life balance and fulfillment without feeling mommy guilt. So I do a lot of content on time management, organizing, I include personal development. We really kind of address all areas of our life to make sure that we are as efficient and effective as possible so we can spend more time on things that matter to us the most. If this is the content that resonates with you, make sure that you subscribe down below. It takes a second and it's completely free, but it really helps me out a lot. So her closet is fairly organized. The main things I wanted to accomplish is to take anything out that did not belong in that closet, like some extra bedding, and go through her clothes, take out anything that was too small, take out any clothes that were summer clothes specifically and put them towards the end of the closet so she doesn't get too excited to wear something that is just not gonna work for the weather we have, and go through any hand-me-down clothes that are in those boxes on the floor and take out anything that she can already wear for the fall and winter season. Then I took out an empty bin and went through some of the hand-me-downs. So currently I had two bins in there. One was for shoes and one was for clothes. However, because we have so many clothes, I found it a little overwhelming to go through the entire box every single time. So I decided to have two boxes for clothes. One of them is gonna be for clothes that fit a 5-year-old, and the second one is gonna be for 6 and up. So when I was done with the boxes, I just hanged on the hangers anything that was fitting her. So the system I am using in her closet is to hang anything that is a t-shirt, a dress, or a jacket. That goes on the hangers. All the pants and leggings and skirts, everything else really goes into bins. So stay tuned, because once I go through her closet, I am going to give you an overview and tell you how I organize the other clothes. And what I'm doing over here is I'm taking that extra bedding and putting anything that is extra bedding for her room, I'm putting that into that zipper bag, and anything that is not, I just took it out and put it in the room where it actually belongs. And that is basically it in the closet. Because we have those systems in place, it makes it so much easier to go through those clothes every few months when the seasons are changing, or when she, grows up and the clothes are getting too small. It really probably took me about half an hour to go through her closet. So it's really not time consuming, but as busy moms, we are just trying to implement the most efficient and effective systems that we can, so things like that don't take away the time that we can use somewhere else. So this is the finished product. On the top, I just have that extra bedding I mentioned before. I have some trays that my kids use when we go for trips so they can draw as we are driving. And I also have some extra towels. Those are all towels for the pool. And while the season is over for our outdoor pool, we do use those towels every single week when we go for swimming lessons. And her closet just has enough space for us to store it. And those bins are all for her pants. In this first bin are her leggings and any skirts and shorts. And the bin on the left is where I keep all the pants that are really for winter season. And as you can see, the method to fold those clothes is a KonMari method. I have found it to be just honestly life-changing, because I can see what color it is, what kind of top it can go with, and it's very easy to take out without making a mess. And this brown and pink basket on the right, this is where we keep all her dancing outfits and her swimming suits. And in the corner of the closet, this is where we have her extra hair accessories and her little backpack. And those three bins on the floor, they're each dedicated to a different type of item. So one is for socks, one is for underwear, and one is for her tights. And I'm gonna buy one extra one because I have some extra like gloves and scarves. So the clothes that you see as soon as you open the closet in front of you are the ones that she's gonna be wearing right now throughout winter and probably spring too. And the clothes that we have on the far right corner, those are the ones that are for summer. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. And I will see you next time.